Good morning, everyone. Welcome to MTL Box Breaks. It is Sunday, December the 1st, and it is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is break number 430, which is a Panini Zenith 2010-11. Brand new box. Serial number NE93720951. Alright, so wish you guys good luck. Checklist there to there, which will be open. Alright, so good luck, everyone. Base. For Nashville, chasing the cup, Pekarine. Base and base. Pack number 2. For Montreal Canadiens, Trevor Linden. Winter Warriors, for the Buffalo Sabres, Tyler Ennis. Gifted Grinders, for the Chicago Blackhawks, Troy Brower. Base. Pack number 4. Cam Neely, for the Vancouver Canucks. Yours truly autograph for the Washington Capitals, Semyon Varlamov. Creases the word for the Anaheim Ducks, Jonas Hiller. Base. Pack number 6. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Doug Gilmour. Mosaics for the Colorado Avalanche, TJ Gagliardi, Paul Stastny, and Matt Duchene. Winter Warriors for the Nashville Predators, Wade Belak. Base. Pack number 8. For the New York Rangers, Rod Gilbert. Red Hot insert for the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. Z rookie for the St. Louis Blues, Stefan de la Rovere, numbered out of 999. And pack number 10. Darren Pang for the Chicago Blackhawks. Base, empty box. There it's there. Carey Price. It is for the Calgary Flames, Epics, Robin Regier. I don't know if you could see it, but the card has two lines over here, like two scratch from one side to this side. Alright, so that's it for this break number 430. Just double check the space cards. Alright, so on this break we got hits from Robin Regier for the Calgary Flames, Darren Pang for Chicago, Stefan de la Rovere for St. Louis, Pekka Rinne for Nashville, Rod Gilbert New York Rangers, Wade Belak Nashville, Mosaics for Colorado, Doug Gilmour for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Jonas Hiller for Anaheim, Semyon Varlamov for the Washington Capitals, Cam Neely for Vancouver, Troy Brewer for Chicago, Tyler Ennis for Buffalo, Trevor Linden for Montreal, and Pekka Rinne for Nashville. Alright, so I thank you very much for joining the break. Hope that you got good hits and hope to see you back on next breaks.